This week, we are focusing on many synonyms and words that children can get confused with. The goal is to expand children's vocabulary, both in speaking and writing, so they don't use the boring words all the time. Spelling List 8. Word number 1 is cause. This week, we focused on Comprehension Strategy 4, which is cause and effect. What happens and why is called cause and effect. A cause is the reason that something happens. For example, because Mum forgot to bring an umbrella, she got wet in the rain. So the cause of Mum being wet was because she didn't have an umbrella. Word number 2 is effect. This word relates to word number 1. What happened when Mum forgot to bring an umbrella? She got wet. So an effect is what happens as a result of the cause. Word number 3 is contemplate. When you contemplate about something, you look and think about it carefully. For example, Mum always tells me I'm a fussy eater because I contemplate about the food on my plate. Can you see the word plate in contemplate? Word number 4 is behavior. If you throw a tantrum, that's considered as a poor behavior. If you show good manners, that's considered as a good behavior. Behavior means how you act. A reminder that this is the Australian way of spelling the word, as we need to have the letter U included in the word. The American way does not have the letter U, so it's spelled as Behavior. Both words are spelled correctly. However, since we live in Australia, we need to spell the Australian way. Remember the spelling by our class has good behavior. Can you see the word our? Word number 5 is depth. This word means how deep something is. Is it easy to measure the depth of a swimming pool? The answer is yes. But is it easy to measure the depth of an ocean? The answer is no. Word number 6 is supper. We have supper after our dinner. It's normally a late meal at night. Many students read this word as super. Remember its pronunciation and meaning by I was so hungry I ate 2 pies for supper. That's why there are 2 P's in supper. Word number 7 is super. Super is different to supper. Super can be an adverb or an adjective. If I say you are being super understanding, it means you are being extremely understanding. In this case, it's used as an adverb. If I say you have superpowers, it means you have great powers. In this case, it's used as an adjective. Word number 8 is superlative. In class, we learnt about superlatives. Superlative is the highest degree of the comparison of adjectives and adverbs. That's why you see the word super in superlative. For example, big, bigger, and biggest. Biggest is the superlative for big. Please refer to your activity sheet for more information and examples. Word number 9 is strength. King Kong has a lot of strength. This means it's very strong. Don't forget the G in strength. Remember it by the gorilla has so much strength that it can knock down buildings and towers. Word number 10 is color. The primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. These three colors can be mixed to form other colors of a rainbow. A reminder that this is the Australian way of spelling the word, as we need to have the letter U included in the word. The American way does not have the letter U, so it's spelled as C-O-L-O-R. Both words are spelled correctly. However, since we live in Australia, we need to spell the Australian way. Remember the spelling by our art class uses lots of colours to paint. Word number 11 is mysterious. Mysterious is the adjective for mystery. My uncle is mysterious as he always looks serious. Can you see the words my and serious in mysterious? Word number 12 is writing. We use a pen or pencil to write on paper. Don't spell writing as W-R-I-T-E-I-N-G. Remember to drop the E and replace with I-N-G. Word number 13 is dictionary. If you don't know the meaning of a word, you need to use a dictionary to help you understand it. A dictionary can be found in your classroom. Word number 14 is difference. Difference is the noun for different. What's the difference between an elephant and an eagle? An elephant can't fly, but an eagle can. Remember, there are 3 E's in difference. On a different note, do you know the word difference in maths means subtract? Word number 15 is subtraction. Subtraction is the noun for subtract. Subtraction means minus, take away, less than, and difference. Word number 16 is enthusiastic. If you are enthusiastic to go to a party, it means you're excited. This word can be a hard word to spell. Break the word up to help you. E-N-T-H-U-S-I-A-S-T-I-C. Enthusiastic. Word number 17 is optimistic. Optimistic means hopeful and feeling positive. Our E6 students just completed their selective exams. They are all feeling optimistic about their results. Word number 18 is pessimistic. Pessimistic is opposite to optimistic. It means feeling negative or doubtful. There are 3 S's in pessimistic. Remember the spelling by the 3 sad snakes are feeling pessimistic after losing their prey 3 times. Word number 19 is disappeared. Disappeared means gone. Opposite of disappeared means appeared. Can you see the word appear in disappeared? Stephanie's 2 pencils disappeared in her classroom. Remember, there is only one Stephanie, so it's 1 S, and she's lost 2 pencils, so there are 2 P's in the word disappeared. Word number 20 is crystal. A crystal is like a diamond. It can be so sparkling that it can make some girls cry. Can you see the word cry in crystal? Word number 21 is favorite. Favorite means what you like the most. Again, a reminder that this is the Australian way of spelling the word, as we need to have the letter U included in the word. The American way does not have the letter U, so it's spelled as F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Both words are spelled correctly. However, since we live in Australia, we need to spell the Australian way. Remember the spelling by our favourite teacher is Miss Stephanie. Word number 22 is telephone. A telephone is what we use to call someone in the house. A telephone is different to a mobile phone. It can't be carried around because it's attached to a wall. Word number 23 is manner. When someone has good manners, they show respect and kindness. Remember the spelling by Anne has beautiful manners. Word number 24 is through. When a train goes through a tunnel, it travels under it. Can you see the word rough in through? Word number 25 is promise. If you make a promise to your friend, you have to keep your words. It's like an oath which you can't break. For example, if you promise that you will go to the movies with your friends, then you have to go, or they won't believe you next time. Word number 26 is experience. Stephanie is an experienced teacher. This means she's knowledgeable and skillful. If you have never done something before, then you are not experienced because you don't know how to do it properly. Break the word up to help you remember the spelling. E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E. Experience. Word number 27 is character. A character is a person who is in a story or a movie. All stories have characters. Without a character, the story will have no action. Word number 28 is remember. I hope you will all remember your spelling words by watching all the videos. Remember means to memorize. You are a member of Stephanie Coaching. Can you see the word member in remember? Word number 29 is author. An author is the writer of any books you read. You can be an author by writing an imaginative story of your own. Word number 30 is illustrator. An illustrator is a person who draws or creates pictures for books and magazines. Illustrate means to draw, so if a word ends with OR, it is likely that the word is related to a person, such as an illustrator, author, instructor, and doctor. This brings to the end of our spelling list 8. Keep practicing and good luck in your spelling test.